Lucky, my brother, he is going to go on a cruise. It is his first cruise with his family. And he called me to ask, Prem, where should I book, where my cabin should be located? Somebody who is doing the cruising for the first time or the early cruisers can learn some of the tips. I have worked on the cruise ships for 9 years. Here we go. If you are traveling with children and want to use the facilities, then look for cabins between the midship and the back of the ship. If you are someone who wants a quieter cabin, look for the cabins at the end of the hallway. If you are someone who likes walking in the atrium area, use the facilities there, the shopping, coffee shop and so on, you might want to look for cabin in the midship. And if you are someone who falls sick, seasickness, who is not used to it, who wants to make sure, then please stick to the midship. If you are someone who wants to use the balcony, look the direction of the ship which is starting your cruise and sailing ahead. So if you wanted to use the evening sunset view for having a drink on your balcony, you might want to plan accordingly that you choose a cabin in that direction, either the left side of the ship or the right side of the ship. If you are someone who wants to eat inside the cabin, never book for a cabin which is an inside cabin. Book for a cabin which has a balcony. Have a happy cruising. There are more tips coming. See you soon.